Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Adriana. If y'all are new here, I make lifestyle videos, I make college videos and vlogs. Y'all should definitely stick around and subscribe. And for all of my returning subscribers, if y'all notice something different, I just got my hair done today. Follow me on Instagram. That's where I like to stay most up to date with everything, so y'all should follow me there. And today's video is going to be a unboxing. I bought the iPad Pro. This is the 12.9 inch. It's huge. So we're going to do a little unboxing type video for you all. If y'all don't know, currently I've been using my old iPad mini that I got back in, I got it my senior year of high school, and I graduated high school in 2017. So if that's anything for y'all, it's been a while. Anyways, I wanted an upgrade so that I can start doing digital art and stuff. And I've been reading a lot on my iPad, so I wanted a new one. Plus, I'm gonna start trying like take notes on it for when I go back to school and whatnot. So yes, we got the iPad Pro. I'm sorry if at any point you can hear noise in the background. That is my dog eating or drinking water or playing with her toys, and I can't get her to stop. So I'm sorry about that. But let's get started. I already started peeling it. If y'all want to know, I got the iPad Pro 12.9 inch. It's the 4th generation. It's Wi-Fi only, and it has 128 gigabytes on it, which I think my iPad mini only had like 64, if that. I went ahead and get all the ports out. Oh my gosh, she's huge. Okay, we are back. I'm now sitting on my floor. So basically, I'm just gonna set it up real quick. Hello. We are in the United States. Set up manually. It says it may take a few minutes for it to activate. Oh, also, I bought a case. I bought it off at Amazon. It's just one of those ones. It's basically like this one, you know what I mean? Like, yeah, bought one of those in navy blue. It should be here tomorrow. Okay, data and privacy. Oh, I can do Face ID on here. That's bad, eh? Set that up later. Yes, I did put her in dark mode. Okay, we got her set up. I'm gonna go ahead and connect my Apple Pencil. I have to figure out how to do this. I think you just do this. What the? Oh. but the Apple Pencil wouldn't go in this. So I'm gonna download all the apps that I want, and then I'll come back and we'll actually set up the apps the way I want them. So I'll be back. Okay, so basically I want to set up my new iPad like this one. This is the first page, and it just has all the like extra things in here, and then this is where all my actual apps are. Okay, so I got the apps in order and everything, and then there were some I didn't download that I just went and downloaded that are currently downloading. I just want to talk for a second. So I said I had the first generation Apple Pencil, but I didn't realize that it will not work on the newer iPads. So I returned that, or I just in the process of returning it, and then I just bought the second generation one. I went ahead and bought it from Target because it said it'd be here by Friday, but if I would have ordered it through Apple, it wouldn't arrive until August 12th through the 19th, and I was like, I'd rather have it sooner rather than later. So right now, this was in one of my old videos, or one of my old vlogs, but I have this like stylus pen that I got off of Amazon that I'm just gonna use until it comes in. It works with my iPad, but I prefer to have the actual like Apple Pencil because this one has this like tip. This one has like a tip that like clicks. I don't know how to explain it. Anyways, I don't particularly like it. Also went and downloaded Microsoft Word and Microsoft PowerPoint for my for when I start school back. Plus I'm gonna download like Blackboard, which is what holds like all my courses and stuff, and probably like the email Outlook or whatever that I need, so that I can use my laptop or my iPad for class and stuff. And I'm gonna look into getting a notes app. What is the best note-taking app? It doesn't have to be free, just like what's the best one for like iPads and stuff, because I'm looking for one for when I go back to school. So comment that down below. What I'm gonna do for my wallpaper, I want to make a separate video of me doing a digital vision board, because I'm gonna make a digital vision board and like a physical one. So I'm gonna like make that in a separate video. So honestly, I'm just gonna look up Harry Styles wallpaper. Okay, so it's like definitely a couple of days later. It's now what? I don't even know what day it is. Thursday, I think. And I got this on what, Tuesday? I've had I've just been using it honestly just to like get a real feel for it. My case came in that I ordered for my iPad. It's one of these like cases. It's navy blue. Yeah, just one of those. But I just wanted to show you all how I have like my apps set up on my iPad. So I'm going to like screen record. For the first page, I honestly just have this folder with random apps that I like do not use in it, and I just have an Apple emoji for it. No real reason. These are just stuff that I probably won't really use but are there just in case. And then I left out like the App Store, the Apple Store, iTunes Store, and settings because those ones I'd probably use more on a regular basis. And then on the second page, so I have my digital art folder, and it has Adobe Draw, Procreate, and Canva in there right now. I mainly use Procreate. I want to show you all some of my stuff that I made. Look, so this is like my second ever digital art piece that I did of me and my boyfriend. I made this sticker, could be a sticker, either give me more wine or leave me alone because I'm a wino. And then I made this cute little Queen Adri sticker for myself. And then the other day, I made this Unholy Trinity from Glee. This is like when they did the Toxic performance. Me and my sisters have this thing where we call ourselves the Unholy Trinity, and we're all one of the girls from it. I'm Quinn, just makes sense. I don't know. But yeah, that's pretty much that. Okay. And then I have photography, which just has my camera, Lightroom, Fonto, which I use to make my thumbnails, like the fonts and stuff. And then photos, planning, I just have the calendar in it, Google Calendar, reminders, and notes. Simple, nothing really to say about that. Reading, it has Wattpad in there. Yes, I do read some stories on Wattpad. Yeah. And then we have social, which has my Instagram, my Pinterest, and my Twitter. Nothing much to say about that. We have my school stuff, which has Blackboard, which is the app that has all of our courses and stuff on it. Then I have my Outlook, which has my email, and then PowerPoint and Word. Then my streaming stuff, which has Hulu, Netflix, and Prime Video. Yeah. Then my YouTube stuff, iMovie, YouTube Studio, Poshmark, and then Redbubble. And then at the bottom I have messages, Safari, iTunes, podcasts, and books. That's pretty much it for this video. If you all liked it, definitely give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you all are new, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!